I'm excited to share with you 5 secret methods to search on Google that will set you apart from the crowd. These techniques are not just about finding information. They'll make your searches more efficient and effective. And trust me, the last method is particularly unique and is the best way to discover hidden websites. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Google search together. 1. Quotation-based search. Using quotation marks around your search terms finds the exact phrase. No unnecessary information will be displayed, making it easier to locate specific information. Second is or base search. The OR operator combines searches, allowing you to retrieve results that include either one term or another. This is great for exploring related topics. Use case type, coffee or tea. 3. Define. The defined term quickly provides definitions for words or phrases directly in the search results from Google Dictionary. Type define : followed by the word. File type. The file type operator allows you to search for specific types of files, such as PDFs, documents, or PPTs. This is useful for finding documents or presentations. Use case type your word followed by file type : and the desired file extension 5. In URL, the in URL operator helps you find URLs. URL websites that contain specific keywords, which can lead you to more targeted content on websites. This is a particularly important technique as it allows you to uncover hidden gems of information that might otherwise be difficult to find. Type intitle : followed by the keyword. By mastering these advanced search methods, you'll be able to elevate your Google search game and find exactly what you need more efficiently. Stay tuned to my channel if you want to learn such interesting tips and tricks.